Parlant amb el grup número 10 d'aquesta nit, ells són els Thunders, amb D. Un aplaudiment! Ara, són dos. El ball es diu Thunderstorm i la cançó es diu I Walk the Line. La canten Rodney Crowell i Johnny Cash, com vulgueu.
Una sorpresa inicial.
Sí, també? Ojo.
Long before the sun came up, way out in the sticks, the headlights showed a two-rut roadway back up in the pines. First time I heard Johnny Cash sing I Walk the Line. I got my thrill behind the wheel upon my daddy's lap. Grandpa rode co-pilot with a flashlight and a map. Cane pulled out the window, it was in the summertime. First time I heard Johnny Cash sing I Walk the Line.
I keep a close watch on this heart of mine. I keep my eyes wide open all the time. I keep the ends out for the tide that binds. Because you're mine, I walk the line.
Later, it's still music to my ears. I swear it sounds as good right now as anything I hear. I've seen Mona Lisa, I've heard Shakespeare read real fine. Just like hearing Johnny Cash